Hey friends, Jordan from Frog Street here. I wanted to show you our Family Fun Learning Kit in Infant today. Now remember, this kit is available in two different options. We have the English version and the Spanish version. Now this is a family engagement kit, so this is something that you as the teacher are going to want to send home with your students. This is really great to help parents understand what is developmentally appropriate and give them some ideas of what they can be working on with their infant at home. So the first thing that they will pull out of the bag is this letter, and it's going to tell them everything that comes in the kit and how they're going to be using it. It also includes these strategy cards for parents. So there are plenty of activities on here for them to do with their students, and we are covering physical, social, emotional, language, and cognitive domains in these. Now, as you flip through these cards, you will see that they are color-coded by domain, and they're also sorted by age. So these cards cover 0 to 18 months. And the great thing about this is that we know what brain research tells us is that repetition strengthens the brain wiring. So we want parents to really actually repeat these activities and do them multiple times. Also in their kit, they will receive some little board books, a sign language poster. We know that sign language is a bridge between what babies can understand and how they can communicate. So we want to be able to give them those tools to be able to communicate with us. We include our mini Lily puppet. They will have their very own puppet. A mirror so they can see themselves and watch themselves and observe. Bubbles. And all of these manipulatives that are in this bag are referenced in their activity cards, so parents will know when to pull them out and what to do with them. Little heart teether, crayons. My personal favorite is the peeper puppet. You put it on your finger and you can talk to them. This is also really great for eye tracking, so we know that that is something babies are developing. So you could sing a song and you could move it and watch and see if your baby is doing a good job tracking that as well. And lastly, our soft squeaker blocks, so we can use for our gross motor. You can see here, these are easily stacked. If you are looking for the perfect family engagement piece to get parents involved in your students' academics at home, this may be the perfect thing for you.